So the technology could change the way we display photos in the house. And it's really exciting stuff. It's been around for a while now, but it's adapting quite well with 3D printing. And I thought I'd share it with you guys. Cool stuff. What you need to do to create your own lithophane is go through to tools.itslitho.com, and here you can create your lithophane model. Anyone can do it. It's super easy. So as you can see on the left panel over here, there's various settings that you can choose from. It's pretty well optimized. You wouldn't need to fiddle with too much unless you want to get more detail or change certain angles, make the frame bigger. But as a beginner, it's a good place to start to leave the settings as is. And as you can see under this tab over here, there's various types of lithophanes you can choose. With Valentine's Day coming up, you can choose a heart type, have your photo in there. But specifically today, what we are going to use is the cylinder type of lithophane. So now the next step is to upload your photos. I've chosen 2 photos specifically here. And as you can see, it just paints the pictures straight onto the cylinder shape. You can see the resolution is not too great, so we can increase that to have a better preview. And there we go, that's what you can see, your lithophane. Okay. Next step is to download the lithophane. Now there's a few options when you download. You can actually make a color lithophane, and what you do then is you print a piece of paper and you size it according to your lithophane that you've printed out, and you slot that paper into the lithophane, and you can actually have a color lithophane. So let's go ahead and download both the model and the color lithophane. I find this site as the easiest to use out there, but there are many different websites with a lot of different features of their own to choose from. So once you've downloaded your model, what you'll need to do then is slice it. And if you guys have a 3D printer, you'll be able to slice it. If not, you can ask someone with a 3D printer to print it for you, or even I can do it under Idea Central. I'm more than willing to help. As you can see, it's about an 11-hour print, which isn't too bad considering the amount of detail. So let's go ahead and print it. There you have it, the final lithophane. If you guys like what you saw, please give a like. Check out the Instagram and Facebook page as well. And please be sure to check out my website, www.ideascentral.co.za. All the links will be in the comments below. Thank you very much.